Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we've got a super quick 3-minute explainer diving into a remarkably simple exercise routine. We're talking no gym memberships, zero heavy weights, and definitely no complicated sweat-drenched routines. Just a really straightforward, totally doable way to seriously boost your vitality as we age. So, let's get into it.
Section 1. Exercise Made Easy. Reclaiming your vitality.
Okay, let's dive into this. A really common concern as we get a bit older is this fear that staying healthy means you absolutely have to do these grueling, exhausting workouts. But our source material throws that idea right out the window. It literally says, if you're over 60 and think exercise is too hard, all you need is 10 minutes and a pair of shoes. That's it. You don't need a massive hour-long time commitment, just a small, intentional little window in your day.
Moving right along to Section 2, Morning Walk Magic, your daily foundation.
So the very first habit is incredibly simple. Just walk for 10 minutes every morning, right after you finish breakfast. Getting that circulation going early on, it actually provides incredible systemic benefits. It improves your overall heart health, lowers that pesky morning blood sugar, and essentially signals your body to just fire up its energy levels for the entire rest of the day. It's a rock-solid foundational move to start your morning off strong.
Next up is Section 3, Swing Those Arms, this secret sauce technique.
Now, what's really interesting about this next point is that while you're taking that walk, if you keep your back straight, your chin up, and naturally swing your arms, you actually burn 10% more calories. No way, right? But why does this happen? Well, it's because you are suddenly engaging your upper body and your core, not just your legs. This little secret sauce technique doesn't just maximize the calorie burn, it actively improves your everyday balance and protects your spine. It's a total game changer.
All right, Section 4, After Dinner Health Hack, the Evening Booster.
Get this. Taking just a quick 5-minute walk right after your evening meal can actually lower your blood sugar by a staggering 22%. 22%, because your muscles are instantly soaking up and using the glucose from the food you just ate. You completely bypass those nasty evening blood sugar spikes. And you know what that means? It means you get dramatically better sleep quality. It's such a tiny 5-minute effort, but it gives you absolutely massive returns.
And finally, Section 5, Start Moving Today, your simple playbook.
So the crucial point here is how these 3 effortless little steps tie together to form one highly actionable routine. Step 1, you start with your easy 10-minute morning walk after breakfast. Step 2, throughout that walk, you remember to swing those arms for better balance and that extra calorie burn. And Step 3, you cap off your whole day with a quick 5-minute post-dinner walk to stabilize your blood sugar for a fantastic night of sleep. It is so simple and just incredibly effective.
Which brings us right to our final big question. Will you start your 10 minutes today? Honestly, your body will absolutely thank you for it. If you found this quick explainer helpful, please share it with a friend or loved one who might enjoy this easy routine. And follow us for more accessible daily health insights. Thank you so much for learning with me today. And hey, go get those walking shoes ready.